Saumil, just keep your eye out on Root Mobile because Root Mobile came out with numbers yesterday post-market hours, and the first dip on Root Mobile was in the red. The stock opened with a cut of 2% but has managed to recover. Well, numbers are muted, but remember the stock had fallen so much. This year, Root Mobile is down 30%. From its 52-week high, it's down 50%. And the reason for that, why the stock corrected so much, is that growth slowed down. You know, that annual growth picture will come up for you on your screen. When Root Mobile was getting re-rated, it was growing at 40, 50, 70%. Then in the last 2 years, growth started slowing down because in the international market, there were some headwinds. And secondly, there was a lot of shift from the traditional SMS channel to the OTT channel, right? Your WhatsApp. Right? A lot of brands are communicating with you via WhatsApp rather than SMS. So this entire transition created a bit of a flux for these companies. So which is why Root Mobile itself also corrected. Now coming to Q4 performance, softish quarter, revenues down 0.7% on a quarter-on-quarter basis. Year-on-year, it's up 15.5%. And if you remember what the company had targeted before, they had said a 15% kind of revenue growth for 3 years. But this year, they didn't manage to do that. This year, they ended with a growth of about 13.7%. They also said our endeavor is that Q4 will be better than Q3. That also didn't play out. Both Q4 and Q3 is similar with a 15.5% growth. Margins have contracted for the company on a quarter-on-quarter basis, gross margins. So that's put pressure on the EBITDA margin. And also, if you look at the PAT, our profits are significantly down, 30% lower on a quarter-on-quarter basis, though there was an exceptional item. But the problem is growth for the company because growth has slowed down for all these, CPaaS kind of companies, whether it's Root Mobile or Tanla. So the stocks have been under pressure, but today it's seeing a recovery.
Beaten down names, creating a bit of some buying interest coming in at lower levels, right? For a company like Root Mobile, almost 2% higher now, had surged past levels of 1,000, but has cooled off from those levels, still significantly off the lows of the day.